Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a stunning collage animation in Canva, perfect for sharing on social media, presentations, or just showcasing your creativity. Collage animations are a fun way to bring static images to life and tell a visual story in a dynamic, engaging way. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type collage animation. This will bring up a wide variety of templates designed specifically for animated collages. Canva has so many options, so take a moment to browse through the selections. Look for one that matches your style and the message you want to convey. If your project is vibrant and energetic, consider choosing templates with bold colors and lively patterns. For a more subtle or elegant look, pick templates with softer tones and simple layouts. Once you've found the perfect template, click Customize this template. This is where the creative magic begins. Canva makes it easy to personalize every element of your design. You can adjust the background, change the layout, or swap out the existing images. This flexibility allows your collage to truly reflect your vision and style. Next, let's add a personal touch by uploading your own photos. Click on the Uploads tab in Canva. Here, you can drag and drop images directly from your computer into the project. Select images that not only complement the theme, but also tell a story you want to share through your collage. After uploading, replace the template's default images with your own by dragging them over the placeholders. Canva will automatically fit them into the frames while keeping the correct aspect ratio and positioning. Take some time to experiment with different arrangements. Move the images around, try overlapping some, or rotate them slightly. This is your opportunity to play and express your personal style, so don't be afraid to be bold. Finally, it's time to bring your collage to life. Click the play icon at the top of the editor. This will preview your animation, showing how each image transitions seamlessly in your collage. You'll get a satisfying view of your creation in motion, turning a static design into a dynamic and captivating animation. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a personalized collage animation in Canva. The platform makes the process easy and fun, giving you the tools to be creative without needing advanced technical skills. I hope this guide inspires you to create more animated collages and explore all the exciting possibilities Canva has to offer.